What would be a great website, wholesale site to buy houses across the US, or how can I get on the MLS listing in New England states? The MLS listings, those are just the ones that are also going to be on Trulia or Zillow. Those are the ones that realtors go to list properties when they are ready to sell. So, from that perspective, those aren't difficult to find whatsoever. I would say that those are the easiest, and that you already have access to. I pay attention to Redfin, Realtor, Zillow, and Trulia. It seems like they have new listings appear at different time. So it seems like some are quicker at listing new listings and others are a little bit slower. So I've got notifications set up on all of them because, again, it is just a massive numbers game. And then as far as people listing properties throughout the entire US, I don't think that exists. And if it does exist, I wouldn't trust it. Real estate, in my opinion, is entirely too localized to possibly run effectively on a national level. I would say that any one of these large companies that makes an attempt is going to fail miserably. Just our local market, in Dayton, it has so many different variables that you need to consider when you are purchasing a home that you can't possibly bake that down into like a mathematic formula that an algorithm could go through. And the only reason that, like, Zillow and some of the other iBuyers, they put up really significant losses in trying to become this national real estate providing thing. And all the wholesalers that I have met that operate in multiple markets do a really poor job at selling these local Dayton properties. So I wouldn't trust it at all. In fact, when I get a lot of these emails, I will see that these people, just the way that they word things, I know that they're not local. Like, I had one wholesaler who had a relatively decent deal, but he wanted $5,000 earnest money deposit. I don't think there's a single investor here in Miami Valley that would ever give anyone a $5,000 earnest money deposit. I said, LOL, good luck with getting that earnest money. And that was that. So I would not look for a national solution, nor would I attempt to become a national solution. Even if you familiarize yourself with the different processes of states, you still could not familiarize yourself with all the nuances that are significantly important when considering investing in real estate in your local markets.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.